Guys, tignan niyo yung loob ng wax candy. Itsura pa lang, mukha nang masarap. So, paalala lang, hindi kinakain yung wax niya. Sinisip-sip lang yung soup. And, let's go. Kainin na natin.
Bakit ikaw may kailangan?